2024 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. This sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. If you're looking for extras, look no further than these built-in features: automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, wood grain trim, backup camera. Get into the car of your dreams today. Visit us.